What's That Noise by William Carmen. What's that noise? Are the neighbors mowing the lawn? I wonder if a UFO is landing in my backyard. And it has an eye.
It has an eye, right? Is that spooky?
No. What's that noise? Could there be a monster in my closet?
What is that?
A monster.
It's a monster.
And here comes another scary one. What's that noise? It better not be an octopus in the bathtub.
In the bathtub. Oh no. Is something there?
Nope.
No.
I hear it in the hall. It sounds like a bear in Mom and Dad's bedroom. What's the some snoring? Looks like ants took it to me. I've got to warn them.
So what's going on over here?
He's squeezing his nose.
Yeah, he's squeezing his dad's nose, right?
To wake him up.
So Dad was snoring. That's what the noise was. Right? And there's everybody.
Going
Sound
to
asleep. Yes. So the scary sound was Dad snoring. Was that a good story? Yeah?
And the water running sound like a squiggling octopus.
Yes.